First, please download the Acumen app in the App Store. Second, go to Settings on your dash cam and turn on Wi-Fi. On your phone settings, find the dash cam's Wi-Fi and enter the password. Once connected, open the Acumen app. Tap the videos icon in the middle, and the footage will load automatically. Tap Select, and then select the footage you want to download or delete. Tap the download icon to start downloading. Once finished downloading, you may find the downloaded footage in the phone storage folder. Tap the play button, and now you may view your footage and the location of your vehicle on the map simultaneously.